some top science news, starting with our star, and we watch the central coronal hole crossing through. Several small pops and surges at the active regions and filaments, but no big flares or Earth-directed eruptions. With solar wind and geomagnetic conditions stable, our focus is on the sunspots. The grouping just right and south of center heliographic longitudes has maintained its benign magnetism and low activity output, with only an impulsive little M-class flare this morning. No eruption from it. Putting focus on the incoming active region then, we not only have the solid-looking sunspot crested into view, but there's at least one more cresting now at the limb. Eyes on that this week. Big earthquake struck Mexico yesterday at the Colima coastline. String of bigger ones continues across the globe, with buildings swaying here and a few deaths reported. No tsunami was produced despite the warning issued by the officials. Quick stop at climate here, as deeper looks at Antarctic ice cores are revealing that the amount of black carbon, which was presumed to have been increasing over the last several decades, simply cannot be found, implying perhaps a different explanation for modern climate parameters is required. You don't say. Well, here's an idea. Remember how the ozone hole was supposed to be healing, but in 2020 and 2021 there were record large ozone holes discovered, especially in Antarctica. Well, let's add 2022 to the list as well. Season hasn't even peaked, but the ozone marks are similar to the last 2 years, and I'll say it again. This is due to the weaker magnetic field of Earth, allowing more particle